Welcome to Jack the Jeep. So today I'm going to be reviewing something that's not necessarily for my Jeep, but it's actually for more of my videoing, and that's the DJI Spark drone. With the drone itself, first initial thoughts, it's pretty clean. It's a nice looking drone. I actually got an additional hard case for it. That'll help for transport and things like that. It's what it initially comes with. I actually have one of the batteries in it. I bought a few extra batteries. I was playing with it at my house the other night, and I'm in a no-fly zone. So now that I'm out here, a little bit of a prairie that I'm in, and I can fly it. I've never flown a drone before, so this is going to be new to me. And with that being said, when I was at home, I was trying to hook it up to my cell phone, and I realized quickly that it did not come with a cord, which is a USB-C to a micro USB cord that goes from actually the controller to my cell phone itself. It's actually under here, and it goes into the cell phone. It actually made it a lot quicker to connect and to pair the drone and my cell phone together. So let me go ahead and get this hooked up, and we'll see what it looks like and do some flying a little bit, and see how it works with it following my Jeep also. So when I bought it, I also ordered the little blade guards. I figured if I'm going to be four-wheeling and out on trails, it might be nice to have those, and it comes with little legs on them. I also ordered, like I said, the case. Ordered 2 extra batteries. Now, there's a lot of other YouTubers out there, like It's a Bug's Life, that uses a drone. They actually use the DJI Spark just like this, so I've been chatting with them a little bit about it. I know Light Bright Nation was actually using a drone, but they crashed theirs. Theirs was, I believe they said there was a GoPro drone that they were looking into. So probably not the best landing spot or takeoff spot for my drone. Is definitely not the front of the hood, but that's where we're going to do it from today. Got the chime. That's good. This is a longer cord than I'd expect, but like I said, it didn't come with it. I didn't want to wait again for mail because I didn't order the controller at first. Didn't realize it wasn't going to come with it. So I ended up ordering the controller. Got it a couple days ago. Realized I also needed a cord. This is the reason I was actually going to go with the DJI what was it, the DJI Maverick, I believe. I read a review and saw some videos on it where it's a lot better because you can hook your cell phone to the controller. Well, evidently you can do it with this also, and it supposedly helps range. It helps a lot of different things on it. So if I could actually learn how to plug it in, that'd be great. Really, what's going on here? There we are. We got it. Gotta unlock it, get into my phone. So with it, you have to go into the app itself, which is, let me go back and tell you what it is so you know. DJI Go 4. Once you click on it, up on the top left, it gives you different options for the different types of drones you can operate. So I just clicked Spark, enter device, connect, aircraft combo. Then it gives you this whole setup on everything, on what to do with the battery and everything. Evidently you have to scan the back of the controller again. I don't know why it doesn't memorize it. I could be doing it wrong. Let's hope I'm not in a no-fly zone also. Done. Ask you to do a knowledge quiz. I've skipped it. I'm going to click Go Fly. See what happens here. Okay. I've never flown a drone before, so this will be a first. Could be fun, could be miserable. Let's see what happens. There's a map on here that tells me where I can fly. And I am actually, I don't know if I can. Still in a no-fly zone. Go to heck. What's up? Alright. Evidently, due west is our airport, according to the map, which it is, but I'm a good 5-6 miles away from it, so you would think that it would be far enough away. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to shut this down. I'm going to shut the controller down. We're going to load up. We're going to go even further south to see if what I can do. So that's ridiculous, but that's all right. Rules are rules, laws are laws, and I'm not here to break them. I'm here to make sure that we're just doing what we need to be doing. All right, so we're back at it, and my controller's actually down to 2 batteries. 3 batteries is blinking, so I do have to hurry a little bit, but see if it likes this location a little better. It's still saying I'm in a no-fly zone, but I know for a fact that I'm not. I'm actually quite a ways off course of where I should have a no-fly zone. All right, we have liftoff. Well, that's pretty cool. So my initial thought, a little touchy for me, but I like it. Cool, I like how you can change the angle of the camera, which is cool. It's a little knob there. Pretty cool. So it's a ways up there. I'll connect the two. Hopefully it's recording. Now it's recording. It has a little flashing red button. That's pretty neat. Well, that's neat. Got to figure out how to make it follow, but I'll do that later. I like it. Easy to fly. It's a ways up there. I don't know exactly how high yet, but 126 feet, 127 feet right there. And it has a range, I believe it said, of, oh my god, I can't remember, 300 and some feet. So all right, so my initial thought of the DJI drone, I like it. Pretty easy to handle. I'm a newbie and I've never done this kind of thing before, so it works great. I love it. I think it's going to bring a new element to my YouTube channel for you guys. That way you can see some different things, get a couple different aspects, different looks. Hey, sorry about that. My GoPro went dead. So my initial thought, the DJI Spark, is it's fun. I love it. I love flying it. It's easy to operate. I got to get a little bit more control over it, but with that being said, that's not a problem. And so with that, I'm gonna go ahead and sign out, but don't forget to click subscribe, hit the notification button. That way you can be notified with the bell of any downloads or anything that I'm doing. With that being said, I'm not sure why it's not. I've never flown a drone before. I watch the cars go past. So, but I love. Welcome. Spot in my carrying case for at least 2 more, maybe 4. I'm hoping. Knock on wood. Don't know why I shouldn't. I'm learning. I don't know why, but don't know how much recorded on my GoPro. So that being said, I'm gonna head home. My initial thought on the drone, the DJI Spark, I love it. It was a blast, fun to drive, fun to operate, drive.